Hello everyone and welcome to Crafting with Soul. Today we're going to be doing two fun Father's Day projects. The first one is going to be this 12 by 12 acrylic sheet that we just customized. I purchased these from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2 for just $18. So what I really like about these is that you can pretty much just customize them to your liking. I went ahead and painted over this so it was clear when I got it. And I just put these 3 little sheets down here because I'm going to eventually put pictures. And our second and most fun project of all is this beer mug right here. I purchased the mug from Dollar Tree actually, so all you need is some vinyl, very inexpensive, and I'm pretty sure that all dads out there are going to appreciate this. So if you want to see how I did this, just go ahead and keep on watching. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to paint the acrylic sheet to your liking. I put my daughter's handprint on here in pink, and then I just did a nice blue brush strokes on here, so it looks really nice. I'll show you guys when I turn it over. What you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to cut out your vinyl. Make sure you have your transfer tape as well. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put something, I'm going to put this towel down so that way we can turn it over and it's not going to scratch off any of the paint. This is what the other side looks like. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my transfer tape. So you'll see that obviously it measures out 12 by 12. Let's just measure, I believe this is 3 inches. So it kind of goes up to here, but what I'm going to want to do is really just get this more in the center. Scoot this over. Let's quick go here. That we have that, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna grab my ruler and I'm gonna put it towards the end so that way I can kind of use these as markers. So each of these little squares I am using just as a placeholder for pictures. So I'm going to grab some of these. These are the perfect size. And I actually just got these at the dollar store. They're just little tiny pins. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue these on here. And we're just going to make sure that they're straight. So this is what it looks like with our little placeholder. The pictures are just going to be 3x4, and they're really nice because obviously you can just print them out at home. Obviously there'll be pictures of dad and baby girl, and he can just prop it up at home, in his office, wherever he would like. It's just something really simple that you can put together. So if you're looking for something to do, there you go. For our second Father's Day project we are doing, it's going to be something very simple. You can get one of these at the dollar store, which is where I got this one from. You are just going to need a little bit of vinyl for that right there. And for this, you can obviously use something like a cup holder to help you kind of even this out. I'm just wiping this area right here where my vinyl is going to go. And what I love about putting vinyl on cups, I mean, you can literally put whatever you want on here. So I just wanted to choose this one. So just apply it like so. And since I have this, I'll just rub it on there. Make sure it is all stuck. And there you go. And I love how this looks. I mean, what I love most about these cups is you can just throw them in the freezer, let them get cold, and then just pour a nice cold beer in there for dad. So I'm just removing my transfer tape. And there you go. This is probably one of the easiest things that you can do for dad. Doesn't require much. So there you guys have my 2 Father's Day ideas. If you guys like these ideas, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you guys are going to try either one of these or what you guys are planning for Father's Day. And we'll see you next time.